Like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on the notification bell. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome to Miss Valrie Can Help. My name is Deshannae, and today I'm going to be showing you how to properly install a sanitary napkin to your underwear. Now, the reason I'm doing this video is because I know that there are a lot of young girls out there, or even older women, or middle-aged, or young adults, all women alike, who struggle to figure this out. Some people use tampons, some people use diva cups, some people even use the sanitary napkin here that I have on display. But all in all, it's very important for us girls to know how to use it and know how to properly install it. But for today, I'm going to talk to you about the sanitary napkin. Now, this is what a sanitary napkin looks like on the outside. I actually love that they make it a little bit decorative because it's nice little way to have it with you without really signaling that, oh, this is what it is. It conceals it, a little bit of privacy, if you would like to say that. Here I have regular underwear. It's nothing fancy. It's very plain. It's very boring. I literally just took it out of a brand new package. So don't worry, this is not used. Brand new package. I took this out of. That's why it's so wrinkly. So we're going to do this now. The pad itself comes with a little latch. Well, it's a little tearaway latch. It doesn't take much effort to lift it off. But see, it just comes off simply. Now, when you open it up, this is what it looks like, right? It looks just like this, and it's plastic. Now, this part is the part that you're going to be putting all of the waste onto. Now, it's very important, the position of this, because sometimes when you put this in, if you don't put it on properly, it could turn, it could bend, it could crease, it could roll, and it could really make the difference between you soiling yourself or getting everything, where it should be, which is on this. Okay. Now, there's this little part here, right in the middle. That's where the sticky part is, but you have to remove this flap, this little protective flap, to get it away so you can maneuver it. So let's do this. How I normally do this, and you can do your own way to what's comfortable to you. For me, I always turn the underwear inside out. So it's now, as they would say, on the wrong side. So it's turned inside out. And I always leave the crotch part exposed, right? The crotch part exposed, because that's where you're going to place it. I then remove the pad from the plastic. Put this on the corner here. The back of here has a little bit of stickiness. I don't know if you can hear it. Stickiness, yeah. This is the part you're going to place. Always hold it like this, right here. I always try to line, you see this part that looks like a little square? I figure it must be, my own opinion is that it must be the first part here should be maybe at the top, and then the bottom part here is at the bottom. That's my assumption. So I normally line it up and put it there, and then line up the bottom part to be at the bottom, like this. So it should look like this. As it is right now, it is firmly secured. Now what I do is I remove the flap, like so. As you can see, it's sticky. So you have to be careful with this part, because you see this part gets me a lot. And it took a while for me to kind of maneuver it. Why? Because if you're not careful in how you're doing this, it can crunkle, it can clip together. And once these stick to each other, forget about untangling it. Just know that that pad is done, because there's no way to really release it. So I'm going to be very careful not to make an error like that. So you take this flap, go under, and secure it with your hand. See, secure it, squeeze it down, take this side, lift it like this, being careful not to twist it, this part, because you know, like I said, if it crumples or anything, forget about it. You do it, you put it on there like so, and then when it's time for you to put your underwear on, you turn it back into the original spot how you would have it. Then you put your legs through like this, put your legs through, and you're all good. This way, when you sit firmly onto the pad instead of it twisting or anything like that. All right, making sure it's completely sealed at the back. We don't want any twisting or anything. See? And there we have it. How to put on a sanitary napkin. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and share, and subscribe to Miss Valrie Can Help. If you have any video suggestions, please do not hesitate to reach out to us in the comment section. We are more than happy to assist. We're more than happy to respond, and we're more than happy to make a video for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all the love, support, and advice and suggestions. Please continue to follow us on all social media platforms. We are available on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Miss Valrie Can Help. Thank you so much, and we'll see you again next time. Bye, guys.